Oh my gosh, you guys, I just had to make a quick video to share this with you. All of these Happy Planner books I got for $1.99 at Ollie's. It's called Ollie's Bargain Center. I have one in Pensacola, which is close to where I live, and I know they're all over the place. I know that they're not everywhere, but I know in some of my, in some of my Happy Planner groups on Facebook, a lot of people have been going and getting their books. So these are the ones that were found in Pensacola. You've got Color Me Happy, and I'll just do like a quick, so you get an idea of what is in there. I got Student. And mostly I got it because I thought these were really cute, and it's got some like cute boxes and stuff that I can use elsewhere. It doesn't matter that it's a, oh, and I like this. It doesn't matter that it's a student book, but look how cute. Oh my God, and $2. $2. And in fact, I had heard that they were there, right? And when I went with my mom, there was there was a man stocking some of the shelves in the stationery area, and they didn't have any out. And I went and I asked him, I said, hey, do you guys have any Happy Planner books? He's like, yeah, we do. They're in the back. Like, he hadn't put them out yet. And I was like, oh my God, really? Because, I mean, we live close to Pensacola, but not really close to this store. This one, I'm sorry, this one was Happy Illustrations. This one's Mom. This is a book I didn't have. And look how fun these are. Family dinner, game night, movie night, family weekend, night out. It's got some cute, quotes and all of these that say mani-pedi. Those are fun. It's kind of like a mix of stuff in here. Laundry day. But anyway, look how cute. So there's plenty of stuff in there. This one is tiny. I use this one a lot. I already have multiples of this one, but I like all of the icons in here. I love these. I love these for sometimes next to when I'm working out, which I'm not doing right now. I love the emojis, the food. This one's got, the hearts. I've used this book, so I don't mind having multiples of this one because I use a lot of stuff in that one. This one is Choose Happy. And I've also got multiples of this one. It's got all these cute little boxes, some pretty flowers, hearts, and stuff. Look at that, to-do list. Those are fun. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. This one's budget. We kind of know. This one, I have a few budget ones. I didn't have this one. So it's always exciting when, look at these, when I see stuff, books that I'm like, oh my God, I've never seen that one. At least not in person. You see sometimes people online showing their stuff, but it's got some good stuff in there. All right, this one is Productivity. And that one's got a lot of boxes, a lot of quotes. Yeah, I probably won't use these, but that's okay. I don't know. I'll think of something for those. But there's a lot of stuff that I can use. Like, look at this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I could use that. Since I've been redating planners instead of buying new ones, or along with buying new ones. Boss Babe. I'd never seen this one. I guess these are like older from when, this is 2019. Yeah, I wasn't in the Happy Planner world in 2019. I was using other stuff. But this is cute. Boss Babe. Lots of cute icons you can use. This, honestly, it says social media, but that would be so easy to cover up. You could even put like some floral stickers there, and then write down what habit it is that you're wanting to track. So just because something says something doesn't mean you have to use it for that. Okay, Gold Star quotes, and we all should be pretty familiar with Gold Star quotes. Look at all of these planners, how cute. It's got some really cute quotes and in all different colors. So I always forget to look at this book. I need to put it somewhere where I remember to look at it more. Pastel Tropics, we know this one. I've got, I think, 2 of this one already, but it's got some really cute stuff, and it's got cute, I think it's got like an alphabet in here somewhere, like a blue one that's really nice, or at least it was in here. Anyway, yeah, it should be in here. And then food, because this food looked a little bit different than the food one that I had. I don't know, the colors seem brighter than the one that I had, so I don't know. Anyway, I know some other stores have had other books, but I just wanted to show you the ones that I got. And you know what? Some people even said they had at their Ollie's the big books, like the mega packs. So, but run to Ollie's if you have one. $2 sticker books. Bye.